Residents of Port Royal staged a protest this morning along the Norman Manley Boulevard in Kingston, demanding that the electricity to the community be restored. The community has been without power for the past 5 days, and some businesses and residents are suffering. Cody and Barrett has our report.
What would usually be a lively evening in Port Royal is now empty and pitch black. On Thursday night, this was the scene in the community. Residents had to either use candles or the light from their phones to navigate through the community. With no means to charge their devices, children are also being affected, going days without online classes. The Jamaica Public Service Company issued a press release on Friday stating that electricity would possibly be restored later that same day. But on Saturday morning, with no restoration of their power supply, residents took their plea a bit further.
We know that they are working, but the thing is, we are not getting any information whatsoever. I call the AAJ lines because we hear that they're responsible and their phones ring without an answer. When I talk to JPS saying they have no updates to give us. We'll soon get back the light. Every time you call or you text them, that's what they tell you.
We just need the persons in our authority to come and speak with us and to make sure that the people of Port Royal is being comfortable. Not just when certain people come in or whatever. We live there every day. Without us, there is no Port Royal.
And while some businesses have a backup generator to maintain operations, smaller businesses are struggling to store their food.
About $40,000 worth of fish gone, and some beer are flat. The chicken cost something like nearly 30 grand. It's five big chicken on each one of them here. Some here. 7 pounds. I have to throw them in, man, because them couldn't run my little thing and buy. I have to throw them because we can take them and cook and give the people them.
Now, the JPS said it will have to replace underground cables which were damaged by contractors working on behalf of the Airports Authority of Jamaica, AAJ. However, it's unclear when Port Royal's electricity will be restored. TVJ News was unable to get in contact with the power company for an update. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.